Check it out. To the youth, to the youth. Big up. You keep it going. You could be all you wanna be. Don't let them fool you. Don't let your father put no pressure on you. Talk about be a doctor, be a lawyer. Be who you wanna be. Respect yourself, be true to yourself, and everything is gonna be alright. Show your love, everything's gonna be alright. Everybody wanna be a lawyer, doctor. How many lawyers and doctors we got? How many lawyers and doctors we got? Be all you can be. For real. You got talent, share with the world. No pressure, baby. Menamakaya, Makaya. Now, what I want to talk about now is drugs. Drugs. Yeah, drugs. Drugs. Do you do them? Why you do them? Ask yourself. You could be your own man, own woman. You don't need no drugs, yo. I ain't even trying to be on no preacher type style. But I'm saying, drugs, and yeah, give it up if you're doing it. Don't touch it if you're not doing it. I'm saying, be all you can be. Makaya. Now, Makaya.